This is my 2005 Ford Ranger. I'm replacing the wiper linkage bushing. It fell off on me yesterday during a rainstorm. Pretty scary experience. This is the tools I've used so far. They have a cover on the firewall. It takes a 7/32 socket. It's this cover over here. It's a metal cover with a gasket on the back of it. Once you pull the bolts off of it, you'll use a flathead screwdriver to pry it off. And then you have access to the linkage. This is the old bushing. I used a pair of channel locks to pull it off. Came off pretty easy. This is the new bushing that I picked up from O'Reilly's. Here's the part number. It's a Dorman 494556. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to get it back on. This is that part one more time. 49456 Dorman bushing. All right, I finally got it back together. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to get it all back. One thing I forgot to mention, I used a pair of vice grips to hold everything in place so that I could access it. Ended up using a pair of channel locks to get the trick done. Tried a bunch of different variations and pliers, and none of these seemed to work. But pretty much, see if I could zoom in, pretty much lined everything up loosely and then snapped everything together with a pair of channel locks. One thing to note is you do want to put grease in the socket side that snaps into the ball, because that moves a good bit and needs grease. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps. All right, so this is everything working after I fixed it. The arm is spinning again. No issues. Thank y'all.